What's good? Feel me? Forgot to do a little introduction, but host my own little car meet here out in Bloomfield. Turnout is looking pretty nice. Apparently, a bunch more cars coming. Like, I don't know if we all gonna hold in here, but we're gonna make something happen. But fill you guys in real quick. Yo, the park light right here, yo.
Yeah, bro.
Georgie! Bomba class. Outside. We got 2 R6. Yes, sir. And more cars are coming, as you see. SER, HR Max, Bolted, G37. You see the sticky? And got this bad boy. Jeez. Wow. Outside with it. Yeah, guys, yo, this meet is a good ass turnout though. I went to Cars and Coffee first in Wallingford at Jimmy Oaks' shop, and leaving I broke my exhaust, or bent my exhaust again. So I don't know. I might get it fixed, or I might just do single exit 3-inch, like Vibrant or something. I don't know. This shit looks crazy, but the meet's a good turnout. I think I'm gonna do this every week. Like, look at this. Look at this. Bend that shit up. Boy! Yes, yo. Yeah. They call Alfred's.
You need to go a little lower, bro.
We got 30 cars here now, so we gotta change how we park. It's litty. The big legs. 30 cars, and we got how many more coming?
Probably 4 more.
4 more?
It's good. Look at this.
It's good, man. You got skinny as fuck. What you doing? Slim fast? This nigga got little as fuck, yo. This nigga on slim fast, bro. Bro. Damien, I think we're up to something, yo.
Yes, sir.
Me and you gotta go into business and get this shit jumping. We can find another spot like similar to this. There's a lot of these spots in Bloomfield. Oh my God, Sean killing it, bro. Jeez.
You set this up perfect. I'm gonna be repainting.
It's nice to see a next bot 8th gen out here, yo. Like, I be killing it out here by myself. People know, like, I break necks, you break necks everywhere you go too.
Oh, yeah,
We got the same visor. Like, we got another clean 8th gen out here. He got the 9th gen bumper fused with the 8th gen. This shit is fucking. Yeah, man, this shit's great to turn out, man. 6-speed, big bot M4. Listen to it, M4. Gee. And Rohanas. This shit run shots, bro. clutch chatter crazy. All right, fast guy number 3.
IG, good seeing you.
Yeah, man. Sheesh. 8th gen shit. You got to air up?
Yeah.
My boy got to air up. Damn, must be nice. Must be nice, right? 2 best looking 8th gens in the CT. Prove me wrong. Nice. Turbo J Series. Turbo J Series. Hold that there now.
Does it move turbo?
Bomba clot. Big Bob Wana. Must be nice. Give me some. Huh? You want the box? Training. Nitrous car. Nice. Yeah, I want to turbo my car now. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. That was a very, very, very successful first meet. It was a great turnout, like a lot of cars, bro. There was a lot of cars there. I think probably had like 50 cars in there. There's a lot of cars, bro, but it was a great turnout. Everyone was nice, chill. You know, I said screw it, just send it on your way out. You know, that M4 was nice. The Turbo J Series was nice. I'm like, yeah, like I didn't think this much people was gonna come in so many nice cars. Nitrous Ks, Nitrous VQs. It's nice. But stay tuned for the next video. That would be me uploading the Android screen that's in my car. I still haven't uploaded that post. You may see this video first or the Android video first. Either or. If you're new, subscribe to this channel. Smash that like button, boy. And stay tuned for the next one. We out ski.